Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic. You have a normal diet, but you still have gout. Here's the solution. Many people follow a normal diet but still suffer from gout. This is because most of the uric acid in the body is produced internally. Today we're going to unravel this mystery and explore effective solutions that go beyond diet. We'll also talk about how to avoid sweeteners and certain vitamins that can worsen gout symptoms. Let's start this journey of knowledge right now. Endogenous uric acid gout is an often misunderstood condition, where many believe that only the purine-rich diet is the villain. However, the reality is surprising. Most uric acid in the body is produced internally, not by food. Imagine, you can follow a restrictive diet and still suffer from gout. Around 50% of people with gout have normal uric acid levels, which debunks the idea that only food is to blame. This internal production of uric acid is like a constant chemical process in our bodies, almost like a factory that never stops. The metabolism of purines in our bodies generates uric acid, which, in excess, can lead to painful gout attacks. But it's important to understand that this process is natural and not always directly related to what we consume. Considering this, a new approach is needed to manage gout. Focusing on diet alone can be like trying to put out a fire with a glass of water. The solution lies in understanding the internal production of uric acid and seeking methods that help regulate this production, such as specific medical interventions and lifestyle adjustments, including stress reduction and regular exercise. These practices help maintain metabolic balance, reducing excessive uric acid production. Immune system reaction. The acute pain of gout is not caused directly by uric acid crystals, but by the immune system's reaction to these crystals. Think of it as an extremely sensitive fire alarm. When uric acid crystals accumulate in the joints, the immune system springs into action, sending defense cells to fight them off. This battle results in intense and painful inflammation, becoming the real villain behind the agony of gout. When inflammation sets in, the affected joint can swell, become red and hot to the touch as if on fire. This inflammatory process can be compared to a miniature war inside your body, where the uric acid crystals are the invaders and the immune system cells are the defenders. This incessant combat generates the debilitating symptoms of gout, often compared to the sensation of broken glass inside the joint. To manage this immune reaction, it is essential to adopt strategies that calm the immune system. Methods such as alkalizing the body and eating anti-inflammatory foods can be extremely effective. In addition, anti-inflammatory medications and natural therapies, such as the use of baking soda and lemon juice, can help reduce the inflammatory response, providing relief and preventing further gout attacks. When talking about alkalinization, an interesting approach involves the use of baking soda, a strategy we'll explore below. Alkalizing the body. Alkalizing the body is a powerful strategy for preventing the formation of uric acid crystals, especially in an acidic environment where these crystals tend to form more easily. Sodium bicarbonate, a simple and affordable substance, can be a valuable ally in this battle. When consumed, sodium bicarbonate helps to alkalize the urine, creating a less favorable environment for the formation of uric acid crystals. Imagine the body as a garden where the pH of the soil determines which plants grow. Acidic soil favors unwanted weeds, while alkaline soil promotes the growth of healthy flowers. In the same way, by alkalizing the body, you are essentially transforming the internal environment, making it less conducive to uric acid crystals and healthier in general. To start using baking soda, it is recommended to start with small amounts, such as 1/8 teaspoon in a glass of water. This solution should be taken on an empty stomach to avoid diluting the hydrochloric acid in the stomach, which is essential for digestion. Gradually, the dose can be increased as necessary, always monitoring the body's response. And when it comes to consuming sodium bicarbonate, let's take a closer look at the next step in this effective strategy. How to consume baking soda. Consuming baking soda may seem simple, but there is a correct way to do it to maximize its benefits and minimize possible discomfort. Always start with a small amount, about 1/8 teaspoon, dissolved in a glass of water. This solution should be taken on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning, to ensure that the hydrochloric acid in the stomach is not diluted, maintaining efficient digestion. As the body adapts, the dose can be gradually increased, always observing how you feel. It's important not to overdo it, as excessive doses can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort. Think of it as a workout for the body. You start slowly, allowing your system to adjust, just as you would when starting a new exercise routine. In addition, the frequency of consumption is key. Ideally, baking soda should be taken once or twice a day. If you experience any discomfort, it's crucial to reduce the dose or temporarily discontinue use. Always consult a health professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. And speaking of additional benefits, let's explore how baking soda can influence the immune system and inflammation. Sodium bicarbonate not only helps to alkalize the body, but also plays an interesting role in modulating the immune system. When consumed regularly, it can positively influence immune function, especially with regard to macrophages and T cells, which are essential in the inflammatory response. Think of these components of the immune system as the soldiers in your body's front line of defense. These soldiers, when activated, help to reduce inflammation, one of the main causes of the intense pain associated with gout. Studies suggest that sodium bicarbonate can re-educate the immune system to respond more moderately to uric acid crystals, thus reducing the severity of gout attacks. This calming action is similar to a fire department arriving quickly to control a fire before it causes major damage. In addition, by reducing inflammation, baking soda can also help improve mobility and reduce swelling in affected joints. This not only provides immediate relief, but also contributes to the prevention of future gout attacks. For those looking for natural alternatives, the use of lemon juice is another effective way to alkalize the body and achieve similar benefits, a topic we'll explore next. Alternative: consuming lemon juice. Another effective way of alkalizing the body and preventing the formation of uric acid crystals is the regular consumption of lemon juice. Although lemon is acidic by nature, when it is metabolized, it has an alkalizing effect on the body. This is because the citric acid in lemon converts to bicarbonate during digestion, helping to neutralize the body's acidity. Lemon juice is also rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in reducing uric acid levels in the blood. Vitamin C helps dissolve uric acid crystals, facilitating their excretion by the kidneys. In addition, consuming lemon juice regularly can strengthen the immune system, providing an additional defense against the inflammation associated with gout. To incorporate lemon juice into your routine, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. This not only helps to alkalize the body, but also promotes healthy digestion and proper hydration. And when considering diet, it's essential to reduce your consumption of refined carbohydrates and sugars, which we'll discuss below. In gout, diet plays a significant role in the management of gout, especially when it comes to reducing refined carbohydrates and sugars. These foods can increase uric acid levels and trigger gout attacks. Sugars, especially fructose and corn syrup, are particularly harmful as they rapidly raise uric acid levels in the blood. In addition to sugars, alcohol, especially beer, is a major villain for gout sufferers. Alcohol interferes with the excretion of uric acid by the kidneys, leading to a buildup in the body. Imagine trying to empty a bucket with a small hole in the bottom. This is the effect of alcohol on the kidneys, making it difficult to eliminate uric acid efficiently. Adopting a diet rich in vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can make a noticeable difference. Foods such as omega-3 rich fish, avocados, and nuts are not only nutritious, but also help to reduce inflammation. And for those interested in more advanced dietary strategies, the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting can be powerful allies, as we'll see below. The ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. The ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting are two dietary approaches that have gained popularity for their benefits in metabolic health and the management of conditions such as gout. The ketogenic diet, which is rich in healthy fats and very low in carbohydrates, forces the body into a state of ketosis, where fat is used as the main source of energy. This can help reduce insulin levels and, consequently, uric acid levels. Intermittent fasting, on the other hand, involves alternating periods of eating with periods of fasting. This eating pattern can improve insulin sensitivity and promote autolysis, a process by which the body eliminates damaged cells and waste products, including excess uric acid. Imagine giving your body a much-needed break from internal cleansing by removing the excesses that contribute to inflammation and gout attacks. Combining the ketogenic diet with intermittent fasting can amplify the benefits. Many find significant relief from gout symptoms by following these methods, as well as a general improvement in energy and well-being. Another effective tool for reducing uric acid is apple cider vinegar, which we'll discuss below. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an effective natural alternative for reducing uric acid levels in the blood. Containing acetic acid, which when metabolized has an alkalizing effect on the body, apple cider vinegar helps to create an internal environment less conducive to the formation of uric acid crystals. Imagine this as adding a neutralizing substance that prevents the formation of crystal deposits in the joints. Consuming apple cider vinegar can be simple and beneficial. A practical way is to dilute a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before meals. Not only does this help to alkalize the body, but it can also improve digestion and help with weight loss, factors that contribute to reducing uric acid levels. In addition, apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties, which can relieve the pain and swelling associated with gout attacks. This combination of alkalizing and anti-inflammatory effects makes apple cider vinegar a powerful tool in the management of gout. Now it's crucial to consider the influence of certain sweeteners and vitamins in the diet, a topic we'll explore next. Sweeteners and vitamins. Refined sweeteners and certain types of vitamins can aggravate the symptoms of gout, so care should be taken when including them in the diet. Refined sugars, such as corn syrup, and artificial sweeteners, such as xylitol, can raise uric acid levels in the blood, triggering gout attacks. The key is to avoid these sweeteners, opting for natural alternatives such as stevia or honey in moderate quantities. In addition to sugars, it's important to pay attention to your intake of certain vitamins, such as vitamin B3, niacin. Although niacin has several health benefits, in high doses it can increase uric acid levels, exacerbating the symptoms of gout. Imagine consuming something that seems healthy but is actually contributing to the problem. It is therefore vital to balance your vitamin intake with a well-planned diet. The best approach is to consult a health professional to adjust the doses of vitamins and sweeteners as necessary, ensuring that you are getting the nutrients you need without increasing the risk of gout attacks. And now, let's put it all together and discuss how the combination of alkalizing the body, ketogenic diet, and intermittent fasting can be an effective strategy for managing gout. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this far. I hope this information has been useful and inspiring. Now it's time to apply all this knowledge and make healthier choices in your daily life. Which of these strategies do you think might work best for you? Leave a comment below, as your experience could help others who are facing the same challenges. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Take advantage of this and watch our video on how to reduce uric acid and heal arthritis. Until the next video, and take care.